Who hit the club and his cups full of jealous.
Look, y'all, it's my anniversary on YouTube. This has truly motivated me to start back posting more consistently. So I'm giving y'all all my old content until I get to the new content. So enjoy. Okay, so let's get into it. My client has traction alopecia, and when your hair is something like this, I recommend that you get some biotin shampoo. Wash your hair with that, and maybe look into some minoxidil. But as you can see, I'm going to braid my client down, and I like to braid their hair in different methods every week or every time they come and get it installed, just so it's not pulling in the same areas. And you'll see that it'll actually come back. Sometimes, you know, it could be stress or medicine or other different reasons. And just FYI, my client's hair was already a little thin because her hair is more fine. But as you can see, I put the cap where her normal hairline would grow. You still want to protect those edges, even though, you know, they're still growing in. You don't want no glue on the hairline at all. And this is a 26-inch HD unit that she got from me. She purchased from me, and she asked me to add a custom color to it. So we did dye it, and the technique that I used was balayage. So, yeah. And y'all know my video's quick, so here we are. I'm putting the final touches on it before y'all see the finished look. Tell me what you think. Bye.
She wasn't on a run, and she wanted on a runner. You see the dark skin girls with the light skin crew. Yeah, I reach to you. You see the light skin girl with the dark skin crew. Can't know the three house to say. This bitch knows like crazy love. She gets down just like crazy love. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Magic is away. Every time, like that. And every new word, she gets away. That's how it goes. So we run the she gets away. She just turned 25. She wanna roll